Hey guys, it's the LANMonkey. Welcome to another episode of Field Tested. In this episode, we are going to unbox our summer Explore Magazine Live the Adventure GearBox. Really excited to check this out. Let's see what's inside. Ah, it's brown paper, yay! Alright, let's get it. Oh, hey! That's very cool. The Trailside Cookbook. That'll get used. 100 delicious recipes for the camp chef. Alright, very nice. Okay, well, all packaged up in here, we have a massive Dry Me Sack towel. It's 130 centimeters by 76 centimeters. Nice. That'll be awesome to take with us our trips. We've got some epic wipes. There you go for our epic geocache adventures. Hey, Town of Kamloops sponsored this little package of swag here. What have we got in there? That is a credit card multi-tool. We've got a ruler. Hey, that's not metric. What the heck? Alright, well, we got a ruler, bottle opener, letter opener, box opener, screwdriver. Yeah, just pretty much every. Oh, there's the metric. That's on the other side. We got it. All right. Courtesy of our good friends at Adventure Smart, we have a whistle for when you're backpacking. Keep you safe out there. Oh, this is one of those little survival stoves. Nice, simple, lightweight stove. So there you go. That's when it's popped open. Looks like that. Yeah. Pop a fuel tablet in the middle. Set your pot on top. You got a quick, super lightweight little stove. Okay, this is crazy. Look at the size of this thing. How tiny this thing is. It hardly weighs anything. Not even a half a kilo, maybe. And that is a air mattress. That is a, they call it a summer air mat. It's an outdoor ultralight from Aventura. Man, I'm gonna have to test that sucker out on this next road trip we're doing. Just see how well that works. I can't believe that's an air mattress. That's insanely small. All right, I got a pack of 5 Patch to Go. They're little vinyl patches for all your different kinds of gear and your clothing. So emergency, you got a rip in your jacket, in your your tent, whatever. You need to patch it up fast. That's what these little suckers are for. Gets you through. And of course, summer issue of Explore Magazine. Looking forward to reading that. The Ultimate Summer Gear Guide. Nice. Alright, well, Explore Magazine, excited to have gotten the Summer Gear Box. Thanks very much, you guys. So there's the Summer Gear Box. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to take some of this kit out in the field and we're going to field test it for you and let you know how it works out. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to follow us at LANMonkeyGC. Cache safely, cache often.